much the advantage that you have with size. If you have a fairly reasonable sized university, then the type of equipment and the diversity of people that you encounter is always new to me. The other thing that we did in this department, I don't know what they did in others, I can't speak for that, but we were a lot like the New Testament book. We dined together a lot in this department. We didn't have a seminar without somebody would eat. We didn't have a birthday unless we had it. I mean, we celebrated everything over some kind of a meal or snack in this department. So we spent a lot of time eating together in this department. And as a consequence of that, the camaraderie and the fellowship and would go into the academics, so that was cross-fertilization. You having a problem, you didn't mind asking another teacher, what would you do in this situation? Because you broke off the same piece of bread. Well, I would have missed my call had I not gone to teach. I would have missed my call had I not gone to teach. And the other thing is you have to understand about higher education in the sciences. You get a chance to be a teacher and a scientist. And in industry, a lot of time, you don't get both opportunities. You get an opportunity to be a developer and sometimes a scientist. But pretty much your job is to make sure that the bottom line comes out in the black. Whereas in higher education, your job is to expose students to knowledge, and then you go into the laboratory and see you discover some new knowledge that you can expose new students to down the road. And it becomes, well, teaching and research begin to feed back and forth off each other. And that doesn't happen in industry, that doesn't happen in government. That only happens in higher education. And other than that, it's fishing.